Hello, hello, tout parents yo qui jan nou ye, sa kon Floride, sa New York, Miami, Haïti qui jan nou ye, tout partout dans le monde qui jan nou ye. Jodi vidéo pral basé qui jan ti moun yo écrive yon livre, qui jan pour deviner yon livre, soit qui jan pour yon différents parties dans yon livre. Mes amis, l'école la getan gen 3 semaines commencé, ti moun yo nan jardin d'enfants getan apprendre en pile bagay. Moi-même moi getan montre ti moun moi yo en pile bagay. Eh bien, on nous aller garder parce que là où on montre ti moun non bagay nan ti classe petit, l'elle vient nan pi gros classe avancée, li aider li parce que c'est ça c'est jardin d'enfants qui mène dans first grade là aider pour second grade et puis so on and so forth. Continuez à aller. So kounya là nous pral garder. Ça c'est un livre. Nous donc pas un livre anglais la caillou, mais amis man connait nous acheter ti livre pour ti moun yo ka li. So ti livre ça, son ti livre tout ti moun connaît. Et puis ti moun nan tal nan ti jardin d'enfants, li kon livre ça. Livre ça dit Are you my mother? Èske c'est maman mouye? Okay, guys. So today, Miss Jerome is going to teach you the different part of the book. Okay? So this is the name of the book. Ça c'est non livre là. Are you my mother? Ça c'est non livre là. This is the title of the book. What did I say? This is the title of the book. Then this is the author. The name of the author is Èske. The author is the person that writes the story. Author c'est moun nan qui écrit histoire. Okay, so guys, the author takes the alphabet and he put it in the bag and shake it and boom, he made the title of the story. So this is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This is the name of the story. Okay, so you see, all the name of the story has alphabets. So that's how the author makes the story. So I'm going to read the story for you, and I want you to say, if you know it, you can repeat. But if you don't know it, watch it again, and you'll know it. Are You My Mother by Èske. Okay. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, this is the picture. What is this called again? This is called the title. Are You My Mother? Ki jan sa rele? Sa rele tit. Èske c'est maman? So I'm going to read the story in English and then for you guys to get it, okay? So I'm going to try to see if you guys could see the page. It says, a mother bird sat on her egg. See the mother bird? She sat on her egg. Okay? There's the mother bird right here. She sat on her egg. And this is a nest. Okay? The egg jumped. The egg jumped. The egg jumped. The egg jumped. Oh, said the mother bird. My baby will be here. He'll want something to eat. What did the mother bird say? Oh, my baby will be here. She needs something to eat. Okay? I must get something for my baby bird to eat, she said. I will be right back. What did mother bird say? My baby will need something to eat and I will be right back. See, this is mother bird. This is mother bird. She's flying away. Do you see my mother bird? She's leaving the nest. She says she's going to look for food to eat. So away she went. What did mother do? What did mother bird do? She fly away. You see mother bird flying? Here's mother bird flying. You see mother bird flying? Okay, so what do you think baby bird is going to eat? Qui sont pensé un baby bird pour le manger? Okay, ready? The egg jump and jump and jump and jump. What did the egg do? The egg jump and jump and jump. And out came, what is that? What is that? What is that came out the bird? What is that came out the egg? A baby bird. You see the baby bird? A baby bird. Oh, out came the baby bird. Ready? Out came the baby bird. Where is my mother? He said. He said, where is my mother? Oh, look at his face, got it figurely. Oh my goodness, where is my mother? Oh. And he looked for his mother. Look at his face. Look at his face. Oh my goodness. Oh, baby bird. Where is my mother? He's looking for his mother. He looked up. He did not see her. You see, he's looking up. He's like, wait, sorry. He's like, oh, he's looking up. He did not see his mother. Then he looked down. He did not see his mother. He looked up. Then he looked down. He did not see his mother. I will go and look for my mother, he said. So he went. He is going to do what? Look for his mommy. What is he going to do? Look for his mommy. So away he went. Down, 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 down. He fell down the tree. Down, 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 down the tree he fell. And plop, he fell on the floor. You see him? You see him on the floor right here? You see him right here on the floor? You see him right here on the floor? Plop, he fell. He said, oh my goodness, he fell all the way down. He fell all the way down. The baby bird cannot fly. The baby bird cannot fly. He could not fly. You see him? He's sitting. When he fell, he couldn't fly. So, let's see what happened. So he could not fly, but he could walk. Now I'll go look and find my mother, he said. So, baby bird cannot fly. He is walking. Okay? Let's see. He did not know what his mother looked like. He went right by her. He did not see her. So let's see if he sees let's see if we see mother bird. Here's mother bird. You see mother bird? Mother bird is right there, and here's baby bird. Here's baby bird, and here's mother bird over there. That's mother bird right here. That's mother bird, and here's his baby bird right here. He came to a kitten. Are you my mother? He said to the kitten. So he came. Who did he see first? Who did he see? A kitty cat, a kitten. Are you my mother? The kitten just looked at him. He did not say anything. So do you think the kitten is his mother? Do you think the kitten is his mother? Do you think the kitten is his mother? No. Let's look. Do you think this one is his mother? Do you think this one is his mother? Let's see. Then the kitten was not his mother, so he went on. Then he came to a hen. Are you my mother? He said to the hen. No, no, I am not your mother. Okay, so the kitten was not his mother, and now the hen is not his mother. Oh no. Then the kitten was not his mother, the hen was not his mother, so the baby bird went on. I have to find my mother. I have to find my mother, he said. But where she is? Where is she? Where could he be? Where could she be? Where is my mother? He's looking for his mother. Who did he meet now? Who did he meet now? Qui est-ce qu'il rencontré? Oh my goodness, a dog. Then he came to a dog. Are you my mother? He said to the dog. I am not your mother. I am a dog, said the dog. Oh my goodness. The dog said, no, I'm not your mother. I'm a dog. So let's look. First the kitten was not his mother. Then the hen was not his mother. Then now the dog is not his mother. And he went on, he met with a cow. What do you think he's gonna say to the cow? So the baby bird went on. Now he came to a cow. Oh, look at the cow's face. Came to a cow. Are you my mother? He said to the cow. Moo. How could I be your mother? Said the cow. I am a cow. So the kitten was not his mother, the hen was not his mother, the dog was not his mother, the cow was not his mother. Did I have a mother? Did he have a mother? Yes or no? Did he have a mother? Of course he did. Does he look happy or sad? That's right, he looks sad. I did have a mother, said the baby bird. I know I did have a mother. I will find her. I will find my mother. I will. Now the baby bird did not walk. He ran. Then he saw a car. Could that thing be my mother? Then no, it could not be my mother. So this is what he sees. He says that my mother. And the baby bird did not stop. He ran on. Now he keep running. He's looking for who? He's looking for his mother. Now he looked far away. Down, down, down. He saw a boat. There she is, he said. There she is, said the baby bird. Far, far away, she sees a boat. He called out to the boat, but the boat did not answer. The boat kept going. So do you think the boat is his mother? Here's the boat. Here's the boat right here. Is that his mother right here? No way. That is not his mother. That's a boat. He looked up. What do you think he's going to see? What is that? That's right. It's a plane. He looked up, way up. He saw a big plane. Here I am, mother! But the plane did not stop. The plane went on. So what did he say to the plane? He's calling the plane. He thinks the plane is his mother. Mother, here I am. Just then a baby bird saw a big thing. This must be my mother. So there she is, he said. There is my mother. So she sees this truck. You see the car? She sees this. She says that's her. She says this is her mother. Is that her mother? Oh, no. Absolutely not. This is the baby bird. What do you think she's going to say? Okay, let's see what she's going to say. He ran right up to her. He said, Mother, here I am, Mother. He said and the big thing. Here's that big thing. And what is she saying? Look, this is the baby bird right here. Right here. And she's saying, Mother, here I am, Mother. But the big thing just say, snort, snort, snort. What did the big thing say? Snort, snort, snort. That's a machine. Oh, you're not my mother, said the baby bird. You are a snort. I have to get out of here. What did she say she has to do? Get out of here. She said that's not her mother. That is a snort machine. But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went up, away, up, went with the baby. Oh no! The snort is taking the baby away. Where do you think he's going with the baby? Where do you think he's going with the baby? Okay. But now, where was the snort going? Oh, no. What is the snort going to do with me? Get me out of here! Get me out of here! What did the baby bird say? Get me out of here. What did the baby bird say? Get me out of here. You see, the machine is taking her away, but she cannot fly. Oh, poor baby bird. Just then, the snort came to a stop. The machine stopped. What do you think the machine is going to do with the baby bird? You think he's going to bury her? Is he going to find her another home? You think he's going to eat her up? Oh my goodness, look at baby bird face. What do you think she's saying? Look at her mouth. Her mouth is wide open. Where am I? Said the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. I want my mother. Baby bird wants her mother. Then something happened. The snort put the baby bird right back into the tree. The baby bird was home again. Where did the snort put the baby? Where did that big old machine put the baby? Here's the baby right here. Where did he put the baby? Right back into the nest. Did he hurt the baby? No. Did he take the baby away? No. He took the baby right home. Just then, look who's here. Who's this? Mother bird. Just then, Mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? She said to her baby. She's asking the baby, does she know who she is? What does Mother bird has in her mouth? Oh, she has food for the baby. What do you call that food? That's right. It's called a worm. Yes, I know who you are, said the baby. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat. You are not a snort. You are a bird. You are a bird and you are my mother. Aww. She finally did what? She finally found her mother. You think she's happy? You think they're happy or sad? I think they look happy. And that's the end of the story. Are you my mother? So if you like my story, listen to it again and again, and then listen to it in your classroom and tell your teacher all about it. Are you my mother? All right, so I have a question for you. Who was in the story? Do you remember who was in the story? That's right. There was a mother bird, a baby bird. Who else? There was a kitten. There was a dog. There was a cow. Huh? All right. Where was the story? Where did the story take place? Was it inside the house or was it outside the house? Okay. So yes, the story was outside the house. Okay, I hope you had fun watching the video. Okay, click on the red button. Tell mommy to click on the red button so you could get more stories from Miss Jerome-Severe. I hope you guys are good students in kindergarten. Okay, and have a wonderful day. All right, love you guys. Ciao.